first step is getting all this crap out of here. I only need to take out the floor bolt. Let's see what this is. What is this? 10, 12. So all in all, this is a pretty good cabinet, whatever shelving system. I might salvage part of it to use later. I suppose that's a good thing about nylock nuts is that they do hold, and typically when you want to unscrew them they end up stripping, or not stripping, spinning. So it's going to be a no-go to take this thing apart from the floor and keep it intact. So, because basically what's happening is all the nuts and bolts are just spinning in their holes. So the only way I could take it off is by either torquing them out and then cutting the studs, which that worked for one, but this other one is just spinning constantly, so I can't even get a bite on it to try to torque it out and just break the head off so I can just lift this thing up. Unfortunately, just like everything, I'm going to have to disassemble pretty much the whole damn thing. This shelving unit actually was bolted to this divider. It's right here, so I gotta figure out how I'm gonna hold this and turn that to keep the bolt from spinning. Which is, I guess it's just a little tidbit. Nylock nuts, they work really well when you're putting stuff together to keep it together. However, when you're taking it apart, or if they get loose at any point, or if the plastic in the nylock nut starts to degrade, they will just spin and spin and spin, and they're a pain to take apart. So there's that. Fell off, but it was working for a bit, which is good. So hopefully I can get it to work until I can get the stupid nut off. I don't have anybody here right now that can hold this, so hopefully I'll just keep that on it, turn it slow enough that it won't fall off. So take two, what I managed to do is use a vice wrench around the head of the bolt, which is pushing against the shelving unit that I stuck behind the driver's seat, in order to give me enough resistance so that I can turn this bolt slowly without it spinning. And so here we go, almost off. Yay, I got it off. I have one more that we have to take off, which is on the inside, I believe, of this unit. Electrical safety person. Well, this isn't good if you ever want to work on power lines. They tell you your approach distance. So, alright, let's see. Up here, it's interesting, this is bent. It's probably because it was, oh, here we go. So it's up here. And I'm gonna have to probably do the same thing on the other. Yeah, it's already loose and spinning. Alright, so I think we've got it. It was basically these brackets here, and also, I don't really notice this here, but this shelf here, which That I might do something with. It's riveted to the wall, which is a little bit annoying because there's no real way to get out rivets without drilling or cutting them out. Let me move these out of here. The whole thing should be pretty much loose now. It's not in terrible condition. It's a little bit dirty. I mean, these go for like $200 at even Harbor Freight. Once I pull up this rug, we'll have a better idea of what we're dealing with, if there's any major repairs, which I pray there aren't, but so here's just to show you how much space you have in these vans. That is a lot of space. This whole shelving unit was inside there. And like I said, it's a great shelf. I'm probably going to put it on Craigslist along with these brackets. I'm going to keep this one and I'm going to fix it up because there's no real reason not to. I'm planning on having the bed fold up like this. As for this, I may put that on that side just to give me, you know, some storage areas, but that's later. As you can see, next we'll probably do the divider and turn that into the door. I'd like to say thanks for watching. If you find this interesting, leave a like, leave a comment. If you have any ideas or any suggestions for any van build things that you'd like to see or things that other people have done, I'll take a look at them. Just because there's a lot of box elder bugs. I'll take a look at them, see what other people have done, get some inspiration, some ideas. Other than that, oh, last thing. This is where that plug for this floor mat, as you can see, here's one of these plugs, it fell through. Now you can see straight through to, I don't know, whatever's down there, the suspension. So I'm hoping that under this mat here there's not a bunch of rust. Hopefully, it looks like it was coated in some grease and some rust, not rust, you know, those putties and stuff like that. So hopefully when we pull this up next time there won't be a whole bunch of stuff, critters, and well, I'm imagining dead critters and other things. But yeah, we got phase 1 complete. I will see you next time.